Today we will discuss about Google Earth Pro, how we can use Google Earth Pro, and how we can add different kind of files in Google Earth Pro, and how we can make point files, and how we can make maps using Google Earth Pro, how we can make lines, and how we can draw different kind of polygons, and how we can identify different kind of objects or addresses. The initial step is to download your Google Earth Pro using your browser. Firstly, you will go to your browser and then write Google. After that, you will write there Google Earth Pro for desktop. You will choose, and there are you can see there as Earth versions of Google Earth Pro, and from here you can download Google Earth. You can download it on your mobile as well, and you can download Pro on your desktop. After clicking that, you can see the screen, and you will accept all the different terms and conditions of Google, and you will accept and download it to your system. After downloading, just click on it to open, and this will issue a prompt like this. And this prompt, you will click on yes, and it will start installation. After installation, you can see after completion of installation, you can see a window like this one, when you will open the Google Earth Pro, and this one you will if you want to navigate, you can select different kind of options here. See, send feedback, navigate, find your house, search places, and you can check these layers. So when you will open that, this screen will be in front of you, and you can use these tools as well. Like here you have a different kind of option. You can open your file, you can save your file, email, you can go in Google Maps, you can print your map, you can import different kind of files. You can sign out from this server, or you can log in from this server. Additionally, here is another tool, editing, in which you have copy image, copy view location, find query, and here are some tools to develop your historical images tool. You can go for sun, you can scale a legend, you can overwrite a map, grid pattern, you can click on this to preview this as a full screen, or you can press your F11 option as well. And these are some rulers, tablet, GPS, and maybe making to fly operations operating. And here you can add path, polygon, a model, a tour. You can add a picture as well. You can add a image overlay from here. And these are some help resources. So after this, on this screen, you can see a pinpoint where you can locate your location. Manually, you can zoom in at any place, any location, and you can plot your pin by using this one option. When you will click that, you can see this will show an untitled polygon. You can change its name from here. Point one, you can add here are its latitude, longitude. You can change its color from here, and yeah, this one as well. So you can see the latitude, longitudes, and its altitude as well. And you can add timestamp, time, camera, date when you are working. And you can also change this option here as well.